An automatic wire stripper is designed to efficiently remove insulation from electrical wires without damaging the metal conductor, enhancing productivity and precision in various applications. An electric drill is a versatile power tool used for drilling holes, driving screws in various materials, powered by an electric motor that rotates a drill bit. The motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, generating the rotational force needed to drive the drill bit. Digital multimeters are versatile instruments used to measure various electrical quantities. They can measure voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, and more. A megameter is also known as an insulation resistance tester. Is a device used to measure the insulation resistance of electrical components and systems. It works by applying a high DC voltage across the insulation and measuring the resulting leakage current. A clampmeter is an electrical testing tool that measures current without direct contact, allowing for safe and efficient diagnosis in live circuits. It is a versatile electrical instrument that combines the functionality of digital multimeter with a current sensor. Long nose pliers, also called a needle nose plier, are designed for precision work, allow users to grip, bend, and manipulate small objects in tight places. Combination pliers are versatile hand tools designed for gripping, bending, twisting, and cutting wires or other materials, making them essential for various tasks in electrical works. The automatic cable stripper tool is used to effectively and efficiently remove the insulating jacket from an electrical conductor. It automates the process of screwing and removing insulation. A hacksaw is a versatile hand tool primarily used for cutting metal and plastic, featuring a fine-toothed blade mounted in a C-shaped frame. Analog multimeters are versatile instruments used to measure various electrical quantities. They can measure voltage, current, resistance, and electrical parameters. A tachometer is an instrument that measures the rotational speed of a shaft or a disc, typically displaying the speed in revolution per minute. The spirit level is a tool used to measure and verify the alignment of surface. It works on the principle of gravity and uses a sealed vial fluid filled with liquid and an air bubble. A heavy-duty wire or cable cutter is designed to cut through dense, resistive materials like bolts, cables, and metal wires. A wire or stripper is a hand tool designed to remove the protective insulation from the electrical wires without nicking the metal conductor. A tapemeter is a versatile tool used for measuring length or distance in various applications. It is commonly used in construction, carpentry, sewing, and crafting. A digital calipers are precision measuring tools that provide accurate measurement of length, depth, and diameter, displaying results on an easy-to-read digital screen. The primary function of a flat screwdriver is to drive and remove screws with straight, slotted head, making it an essential tool for various tasks. Scissors are cutting instruments consisting of two pivoted blades that slide against each other to cut various materials, utilizing principle of leverage and force dynamics. The function of an external thread cutter is to create helical groove on the outer surface of a cylindrical workpiece, transforming it into a threaded component. An electrician knife is a specialized tool designed for cutting, stripping, and trimming electrical wires. A drill bit is a cutting tool used to create Holes in various metals such as wood, metal, plastic, and a soldering iron is a handheld tool used to melt solder, creating a permanent bend between electronic components and its circuit boards. Melted sucker. The melted solder sucker is a crucial tool in the soldering process, specifically designed to remove molten solder from the circuit board. The function of manual pipe cutter is to cut through pipes made of materials like copper, PVC, and steel. It is a manual tool that provides a precise cut, reducing the risk of damaging the pipe or creating uneven. The hexagonal Allen key is a versatile tool designed to tighten or loose screws and bolts with hexagonal sockets or heads. The open-ended wrench is a versatile tool used to grip and apply torque to nuts and bolts. Its design allows it to engage fasteners from the side. The box-ended wrench is a hand tool designed for tightening or loosening fasteners such as nuts and bolts. Analog calipers are precision instruments used for dimensional inspection, providing measurement for more accurate than a standard ruler. They rely on precisely engraved mechanical scales to achieve high resolution, often down to 0.001. The ball peen hammer is primarily used for pinning, a metal working technique that involves striking the metal surface to. A combination wrench is a versatile hand tool designed to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts, featuring an open end on one side and a box ended on the other for enhanced functionality. Diagonal cutter pliers, also known as wire cutters or side cutters, are designed for cutting wire and small components. The internal thread cutter function is crucial. It allows for the integration of screw bolts and other threaded components, enabling secure fastening and assembly of parts. The Phillips screwdriver is designed for driver screws, with providing a self-centering fit that allows for better torque and reduced slippage. The plastic hammers are designed to deliver controlled energy transfer, reducing rebound, dampen noise. A chisel is a versatile hand tool used for cutting, shaping, and carving hard materials. A pipe wrench is a specialized tool designed for gripping and turning pipes and fittings, featuring a serrated jaws that provide a secure grip and allow for significant torque application. The pipe wrench has two jaws, one fixed and one adjustable.